bullfrog. Did you really find one?
Yeah.
Shh, we have to be quiet. Where did it go? I think it ran away. Wait, there it is. Right there. Do you see it? Get it. Pick it up.
We found the frog.
Quiet. Whisper. Pick it up.
Oh, I need to see.
Pick it up.
But first I need to make
Whisper.
First I need to make sure it's alive.
Yeah, so try to pick it up.
Let me make it.
Be very slow and gentle. Go for it. Reach out for it. Very slow. Oh, there it went.
It freaked me out. Let me look for it.
What did it do?
It freaked me out. It jumped. It hopped very fast.
It freaked you out.
I'm finding the one that hopped away that I found.
Good.
It's somewhere in there. Ori, it's over here. It went in here.
I don't think it went in there.
There it went. Look.
It went in the bushes.
Right here. It's in there. It's in there. It's in there. We're getting it. We're getting it. It's going through here. It's still going. Look, it's gonna pop out there. Look, there it goes.
Whoa!
There it goes.
There it goes in the bushes.
Shh.
Let's not give up.
Right there. It's right there. You see it?
Oh yeah, I see snake.
Oh!
It freaked me out.
What?
It freaked me out.
Is it in there?
Yeah, somewhere over here. Rowdy, like, frogs like to eat bugs. I'll coax it out with a wonderful bug pop.
What?
Let's find some bugs so that you can, and then it will really come out, and then it will smell the bug, and it will say, yay, and it will come out.
What are you gonna do?
Let's find some bugs so it can eat them, and then that will really make it hop out
Okay.
from behind the bushes. I'll coax it out with a wonderful meal. Let me find some bugs.
Coax it out with a wonderful meal.